review that I'm super excited about because it's on a unit that is very unique, with a unique color, unique style. It's by Outre, and I picked it up from Samsbeauty. And y'all know Samsbeauty, they are a one-stop shop for me. I get everything that I could possibly need for these synthetic wigs that I plop on top of my head directly from Samsbeauty. If you're looking at the description box, you'll see a direct link to the items that I'm going to talk about in this video, as well as a link to Samsbeauty and their social media. While you are down there in the description box, if you are new, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. Turn on the bell because sometimes it's not daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So the review is not on this unit that's on my head. This review has already gone up. I didn't realize y'all could see that. Maybe you couldn't. Maybe it was just to me. This review has already gone up. I'll be sure to link it in the description box or at the end of the video. I absolutely love this wig. I think that this is perfect holiday hair. Now, this one that we're about to review is a complete opposite of this this unit on my head. So I know y'all have seen this wig too. So with this unit, it took all of me not to go and see if some of my favorite YouTubers have already reviewed this unit, because I did not want to go into this bias. Because looking at it right off the stock card, I say, oh, I don't like that. But I try not to put this channel in a box to where I'm only reviewing units like this that I love, when I have some subscribers that love units like this, right? So big ups to Samsbeauty for having this unit in all of the colors. The name of the unit is Tygra, Tygra. I think that's cute because it does like a little tiger. And I got it in a color that I cannot lie, is so pretty to me. I'm not just saying it. The color is really pretty. The color is DRFF Camo Green Tiger. So I think that the color is going to be really pretty. Let's take this unit out of the pack so we can look at the cap construction. Kind of like my dear too with this wig. Construction. And we can look at the cap construction and the stock card. Okay. All right, guys. So this wig is part of Outre's Color Bomb collection, which I haven't reviewed a collection, a wig from this collection. Jeez, I'm Pete. I haven't reviewed a wig from this collection in a long time, y'all. It is 28 inches long. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It comes with a glueless pre-attached band. Y'all know I'm gonna show y'all that. What y'all probably care the most about are the colors. And big ups to Outre, because they have, I get so tired of them and Sensational not showing us what these unique colors look like. So they gave us a lot of the colors inside the stock card. I'll be sure to show you that. But let me just say the colors first. It does come in a 1 and a 1B. But it also comes in a DRFF Blue Tiger. That's that one. It's like an icy blue. It also comes in a DRFF Camo Green Tiger, which is the color that we got, that I'm so excited about. Is what that gorgeous model in the stock on the stock card is wearing in the middle. It also comes in a DRFF Golden Tiger. That's what she's wearing in the middle on the front. Kind of looks like what we got, but it's a little different. This one is lighter, the golden. Also comes in a DRFF Green Tiger, and that's your neon green color that you see there. It comes in a Lilac Tiger, and I almost got Lilac, but I decided to go with the camo. There's a Lilac Tiger. It goes with, or it also comes in Orange Tiger. That's the color that you see there. And it also comes in a DRFF Pink Tiger. Do they give us the Pink Tiger? Oh, yeah. That's Pink Tiger. That's Lilac Tiger. I'm glad they put them side by side so you can see the differences there. So some very, very unique blends. This is a wig that I can say is for a target audience. Now, when I was trying to pick out which color I wanted, y'all know I went with the, I'm going to be honest, I went with Camo Green because it was probably the most muted of the colors. And y'all, I am so glad I did, because I would love a unit in this color without the tiger stripes, because that is such a pretty color. So it looks brown, but I promise you guys, depending on how you are in the light, it looks green as well. So such a beautiful, beautiful blend. While I'm up here, also check out that texture. I hope that it's not coming across as yucky on camera, because it is not. It does look It has the look of yak, but it does not feel yacky at all. Okay. Because this is 28 inches long, I don't know what the shelf life would be like on this unit, because it's a 28-inch long silkier wig. It has a beautiful density on it though. As far as the cap construction goes, I love this cap construction that Outre did on this. You get that ear to ear lace and that lace part. You also get those two combs there in the front. You get that adjustable glueless band, and in the back you also get adjustable straps and a comb. So very good cap construction. And it does come with slight baby hairs as well. So I think that this wig is going to bop. I don't know how it's gonna look on me, but it is, I will say, a gorgeous wig. Let's do that. I'm gonna put it on my head so you can see it right out of the pack, what it looks like. But then I'm gonna cut off the lace, give you a 360, all that. I also thought this was a good time to show y'all, when I say that Samsbeauty is my one-stop shop, look at these little kits that Samsbeauty sells now. And when I saw this, I said, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, moment of transparency. When I get these synthetic wigs, y'all, there's nothing extra in the pack. It's just the wig, the stock card, and the net that it came in. However, when I review human hair from companies, y'all, they send an edge brush, some HD wig caps. They send all this extra stuff that you don't get with synthetic units. So I've always said, man, I wish that there was a way for somebody that doesn't really buy human hair, for them to get a pre-made kit with everything in it that you need. And it's like Samsbeauty jumped up in my little bald head and said, we got you, sis. So I saw that they were selling these wig slay kits. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna call it a wig slay kit. When I saw that they were selling these, I said, let's pick it up. To see what comes on the inside of these, it does come in a resealable package, which is cool if you do need to store all your stuff. If you want to have it in something that you can just grab whenever you're ready to do your hair, that's cool. Now, y'all, they have so much in here. So it comes with a 3-in-1 edge brush. Okay, and also has a spatula down there, but at the top is the edge brush with the comb on it. So that's one thing that comes in this kit. They also give us a satin bonnet in this kit. Okay, black in color. It is a jumbo size, by the way, because I know somebody gonna ask. It's jumbo in the size. Okay, that's 16 inches wide, by the way. So cool. And it's silk. They also include in this in this kit, some HD wig caps. Cool. And that's a 2-pack. It's 2 pieces in that. We still got more in here, so hold on. We also have an edge band for if you're somebody that wants to do baby hairs or lay your wig down secure. Look at that lotion in my nail. They also sell press-on nails. Okay, they have an edge band that comes in this as well, so that's cool, and it is adjustable. And last but not least, y'all, I used to wear these back in the day, and I'd still wear them when I go out, but when I'm reviewing, I don't wear them. But y'all, I absolutely love this. So it comes with a wig grip. It's a velvet band wig grip, and it's adjustable. Okay, it's like this. You get the faux lace in the front. That looks like a, I hope I don't misspeak, but that looks like a 4x4 or 5x5. I'll be sure to put all this down there so you can see it though. You get the velvet band going around the sides, and then they even have the ear cut out. So how dope is that? I just think that it is so neat that Samsbeauty has given us a kit that we normally would get for like a human hair wig. Now you can get this for your synthetic wigs if you so choose. I am going to use this wig or this wig kit, a lot of the pieces from it, to apply this wig Tygra by Outre to my little bald head. And I'll come back with my thoughts on both the wig and this wig kit to see if they are worth it, you guys. Be right back. Not breathe your head. You only can rescue me. This this little wig kit. And y'all know that when I come on here and I review hair with y'all, I'm putting the wig on so you guys can see it right in the pack. It felt so good to take a kit that I will purchase in real life and use all the time and show you just how bomb it is. It is so nice to have all of those things compact in one place in one kit. You can get everything that you really need to apply a wig, whether it is human or synthetic, to your head. And I just love the jumbo size of this bonnet. I really do. And at that price point, I think that this is way more affordable and efficient than having to go through and randomly select and find everything. It's nice to just grab and go, have that in one little kit. That's something that I would put in my little emergency bag that I keep in my car. Put one in your desk at work. Put one in your car for in case you don't went through that Walmart self-checkout. You're stealing. Now you got to do a wig switch real quick. Bam. So I can definitely recommend that you pick up that wig kit. Absolutely love it. Now, as far as this wig, y'all, I'm so pleasantly surprised for a couple of reasons. One, I normally don't like a bone straight middle part wig. However, this one works for me. We ain't gonna even touch on the color yet. The choppiness that Outre did in these layers, I absolutely love. I thought that this texture was gonna make me just be so mad, but I want to show y'all I can get my fingers straight through this wig, and that is, I cannot lie, that's surprising me, because I thought I was gonna come on here and say that this was a hot tangled mess. Nope, because Outre released another wig this year that I reviewed. It was violet, and it was just like this, but it tangled so badly. This one is a win. Just off the rip. If you like the style of the wig, I definitely can recommend. Now this color I was not expecting to like as much as I do, because like I said, something like this is completely out of my comfort zone. However, I feel very comfortable in this, and I think it is because the color is so muted. I am hoping that Outre releases more units in this camo green color in this color bomb series, because this color is so flattering, it's so subtle, so demure. Sorry. It is just a gorgeous color that I think if you're somebody that wants to tip your toe in color but you don't want to do too much, especially with a design like this, I think that you will love this camo green. However, if you're somebody that just doesn't care about color, like you are bold, you're gonna go out there and do what it do, like look how many different colors that you can get this unit in. So absolutely love the color options, and particularly this color on. So I can recommend both of these items, both Tygra by Outre and the wig kit. In the comments, I'll put a direct link, not the comments, in the description box, I'll put a direct link to where you can go pick both of these up from Samsbeauty, because I think you're going to be happy with both. Y'all talk to me, tell me what y'all's thoughts are. Because I'm very happy. And like I said, that speaks to Samsbeauty. I'm looking, and the last 4 wigs that I've reviewed have been by Samsbeauty. I did Dashley Unit 21. Then I filmed Sensational 90s Bang 907. Then I did Sensational Kinky Body Wave 14. And now I have Outre Tygra. And what's telling to me is all 4 of those wigs are completely different. Samsbeauty had all 4 of those wigs by different companies in stock in just about every color. So that is why I love Samsbeauty so much. Be sure to go check them out, y'all. In the meantime, I'm about to go check out, because I think I want to go pick up a couple of those units that I did just review in other colors. So I got to go check out at Samsbeauty myself, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Not breathe your air.